Temu account suspended. How to recover your Temu account. To recover a suspended Temu account, normally you can try to check your email or app notices because Temu might explain the block or requesting identity or payment confirmation for you to unsuspend your account. The second thing is you have to try to reach out to the official support. So from the app, if you can log in, that's perfectly fine. You can come to the U tab from the bottom right. Then from the top right hand side, you can see this customer support icon. You can just tap on that icon. And from here, you can scroll down and tap on this contact us button to be able to go ahead and then contact Temu support. Now, if you cannot log into the app also, you'll still find this contact support option from the login page. So from there, you can try to contact the support and basically try to get an answer as to why your account was suspended and what are the steps that you might need to remove that suspension. That way, you can recover your Temu account if it has been suspended. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.